Here we are, driving through the blizzard. This stupid Canterbury lost power on Gooseneck Hill. There's Chris. You can't see him. It's pitch black. There's the road. You can kind of see how crazy it is. It's kind of like whiteout conditions. Except on this video, it kind of looks like you can see the road. You really can't. We're just taking it slow, trekking along. We're going to Dave and Joyce's, where it's going to be nice and toasty warm. And even if they lose power, there's a generator, and that'll be nice. This is Lisbon Road. We're almost to the end of Lisbon Road. Have anything to say, Chris?
Just that it's really crappy that we lost power.
I know. Although it's probably better we lost it now and we're able to get ourselves out of there.
Yeah. Philly Z's got power.
Philly Z's got power. Pretty much everybody else on our road had power. Except for us. Trying to figure out how I can get some massive amounts of snow, but you really can't tell.
Oh, it doesn't look like they've been down Bennett Pond Road in quite a while.
No, it really doesn't. This is bad. But they have power. And that's good.
Hey, dude, snow blowing.
Wow. Why would you snow blow the road? I really don't understand that. Here's put your high beam. Oh, you don't have high beams.
Don't have high beams.
That's probably better. You wouldn't be able to see as well with high beams. Remember in driver's ed, they told you when it was really heavy snow, you had to put your high beams on.
Yeah.
But if you did, we could see how hard it's snowing on the video.
The hardest thing is being able to tell where the road is.
Yeah.
Being sure not to drive.
Here's Crossroad. Oh, that was a tricky one. Here we go. Whoa, this one's bad, bad, bad.
This one's been through here.
Only one tire track. This is crazy. Snow.
Tracy Road.
Tracy Road.
Same one.
It really didn't take that long to get here.
It was pretty much going the speed limit.
Okay. Still, I wonder if your parents are home because they're still looking at me.
We'll very soon find out if this one set of tracks is them.
We will, won't we? That's a deep-ass set of tracks.
Yep.
It is them. Look at that. It's their set of tracks. They are the only people who have driven on the road. Right into the garage. Look at that. If you got lost, you'd just follow them home.
Wow.